Hi, I'm Siam Pasarly. Today I am at the Hire-a-Refugee Job Fair. You see the crowd? MashaAllah, lots of people are here. They are looking for a job. If you are an employer, please register for our upcoming job fairs. And if you are a job seeker, so try to participate. Lots of job seekers, they are looking for jobs. And you guys see the background. Lots of companies are here. They are hiring. I'm very happy today for one reason. That reason is that when I see a job fair and the job seeker are getting jobs. I love to conduct job fairs. I love to participate in job fairs. Job fairs provide opportunities, and I love the most when a job seeker gets job. That makes me very happy. Today I feel proud. I'm very happy. I'm very excited, and I'm very thankful of our partners, Rajasthan Chamber of Commerce. Bill Modern, my best friend Robert Farrell. I don't know where he is. He might be around somewhere. I don't know, but I'm very thankful of him, and also Mordia. Oh my God. Without them, it was not possible. Thank you very much, Mordia. Wherever you guys are, maybe they are somewhere, they are hiring people. So there are lots of other organizations, they cooperated to conduct this event together with us.
Any issues that you have with any state agency, whether it's unemployment, Medicaid, SNAP benefits, our office can be a resource. And if you're not even sure if it falls within the state's purview, please reach out to us anyway. We will do whatever we can to find the right resource for you. So our table is here. Please feel free to come by if you have any questions. Again, really grateful for all the partners that made today possible, and we're really grateful to be here today. So thank you so much.
Right? Through the state and the county and our community partners across the board.
That's wonderful.
What else?
Can I get a little package so I can bring it back to my office?
A description of our
Perfect.
So we have a service of law division, probate division, we have county division, we also have a criminal division, and we also have a traffic department and all that. So it go on and on like that. So it's all about, like I said, it's all about everyday people, activities. That is exactly what we're doing.
So my name is Liz Ortiz. I'm one of the HR generalists at Freedman Seating. We are a manufacturing company. We've been around for about 130 years. It's family owned. The family's still very fully involved with the company. We are located on the west side of Chicago, so Cicero and Augusta. We have a ton of positions that are open right now that we're looking to bring in. Production is pretty high, so we're trying to bring in as many positions as we can. We have from entry level to more skilled labor, from packers to upholsterers, assemblers. We have some machine operators, some higher end machine operators like CNC machines, welders. So there's a slew of positions that we are looking for.
That's wonderful.
Good morning, my name is Paul Ireland. I'm a college recruiter from the Harold Washington College, and today I'm offering educational opportunities. For those individuals who would like to become an entrepreneur, we got programs in business, finance, accounting, agriculture, as well as engineering.
Hi, my name is Evelyn Matel. I'm the Community Navigator Program Coordinator at the Indo-American Center. And at the Indo-American Center, we offer different services for the community. We offer English classes, citizenship classes, Community Navigator Program, immigration services, public benefits, seniors program, health literacy, and parent mentor program.
And we help family become financially independent. We focus more on financial education, and currently we're looking for agents that we can help get licensed in the top 3 industries of the United States. Those industries being the mortgage industry, the insurance industry, and the investment industry.
My name is Jehun Amiri. I'm the Executive Director for the Afghan Village, newly established non-profit organization. We are providing interpretation and translation services. We also help with the housing if anybody needs help with finding apartments.
I work with State Representative Kevin Olico's office as his outreach director. So we offer a range of services mainly to do with state resources and state services. So it can range from any issues related to state agencies. So that could be related to DHS benefits, so like SNAP benefits, food stamps, things like that, all the way to issues with the Secretary of State's office, unemployment benefits, IDFPR, so that's like professional licensing.
Hi, my name is Vibha Chawla. I'm a business and executive coach with Focal Point. And yeah, we help businesses grow and become profitable. If it's a non-profit organization, we help them get more funding into the organization. So for the executives or the professionals that are looking for jobs, we provide some clarity coaching, which means helping them find what they want to do in next 3 to 5 years, looking at their communication style, what their mission, vision, values are, and matching that up and saying that, okay, based on my mission, vision, values, here is what I should be doing in next 3 to 5 years.
I'm the Associate Director of Recruitment Services for Heartland Alliance Human Care Services.
Thank you. My name is Annika Ness. I'm a Talent Acquisition Specialist, also for HHCS. And yeah, we're trying to get people jobs. We have, I think, 80 positions open right now. So, I mean, ideally we'd fill them all. Maybe not all today, but yeah, we have over 80 openings. So,
For an organization that works for human rights, we have 12 different programs across the city of Chicago. We work with housing, refugees, immigrants, and more. And we are actually, we continue expanding programs, so we are definitely looking to hire different people with different backgrounds. We are a very diverse team.
Hi, my name is Tabitha Jones. I'm a vice president for Bimo Bank. The location that I'm currently working at is Washington Park, which is 95th and Ashland, so I come afar, but it's a good event and I love it. What we do here at this particular event is we create a bank at work code for all the individuals that are coming, that's looking for employment, that's also looking to have an account open, and we do open checking and savings account for the clients, and we do offer financial literacy as well.
Hi, I'm Natalie. I am the lead recruiter here at Misericordia. So we're located at 6300 North Ridge Avenue in Chicago. A little bit about what we do here at Misericordia is that we care for individuals with developmental disabilities. And we're actively hiring for multiple positions. Our position that we're always hiring for is our direct support professional caregiver position. And the requirement there is a high school diploma or GED, and no experience is needed, as we offer a 4-week training program for that position. And then the rest of our positions are available online.
Hello, hi boss, how are you?
I'm doing very well.
Oh, you look very happy, why?
Well, you know, I'm talking to Mark Grover of Sergeant Stripes and Ruben, Sergeant Stripes. He was just telling me we've had people come here from the south side of Chicago to this shop here.
So, how do you feel?
I feel good. We got a lot of people. I've been talking to the vendors and they seem happy.
Good.
Everyone's filling out applications over there in the interview area.
Okay.
Vendors are still coming. People are still calling me, asking about the job fair. It is 11:30, and we've been very busy. I'm very proud.